Imagine standing at the edge of the universe, gazing into the vast, uncharted depths of the cosmos. The Milky Way, our home, is a vast, shimmering river of stars, an endless stretch of time and space. But though this spiral of light has long guided our understanding of the heavens, it is a place that remains largely unknown. In the countless millions of stars that scatter across its spiral arms, and in the dense, dark heart of the galaxy, lie secrets older than time itself. Secrets that have eluded even the most advanced minds. The Milky Way is not just a galaxy. It is a living, evolving mystery, a cosmic dance of creation, destruction, and rebirth. As we journey through its depths, we unravel the story of the universe itself, of life, and of the questions that have defined our existence. Are we truly alone in this sprawling universe? And what does the Milky Way's complex story tell us about the nature of our own fate? In the beginning, there was nothing but a turbulent sea of gas, dust, and cosmic radiation. In this primordial state, the Milky Way was born, not from a single event, but from the slow, inexorable pull of gravity. Over billions of years, these tiny particles coalesced, forming stars, clusters, and eventually galaxies. And as the dust settled, the Milky Way emerged, a cosmic river of starlight, constantly evolving, constantly changing. But how did this process begin? What unknown force drove the first particles to collapse, to ignite into the first stars, and to forge the very elements of life? These questions are not just scientific. They are philosophical, tapping into the deepest wonder of our existence. The origin of the Milky Way speaks to the origin of everything. If we can understand how our galaxy formed, perhaps we can understand how everything came to be. And perhaps, just perhaps, we can answer the greatest question of all. Why are we here? At the very center of our galaxy, amid this cosmic whirlpool of stars, lies a force so powerful, so mysterious, that it bends the very fabric of space and time. Here, at the heart of the Milky Way, is the supermassive black hole, Sagittarius A star. It is a silent and enigmatic presence, unseen, yet felt throughout the galaxy. Though it is invisible to the eye, its gravitational pull shapes everything that surrounds it, holding the galaxy together like an invisible hand. How did this monster, a mass of millions of times the size of our sun, come into existence? Did it form from the collapse of a dying star? Or was it born from the very fabric of space itself? Is it a relic from the early days of the universe, or a gateway to something we don't yet understand? The secrets locked within Sagittarius A** could hold the answers to the nature of dark matter, the beginning of galaxies, and perhaps even the very nature of reality itself. For here, at the edge of the black hole, the laws of physics break down. And so, too, might our understanding of existence. In the vastness of space, we can only see a fraction of the mass that makes up the Milky Way. There is something else, something that is invisible, but whose presence is undeniable. Dark matter. It is the elusive, unseen force that holds the galaxy together. In fact, it is the very fabric that structures the Milky Way, yet it eludes all attempts to be seen or measured directly. Though we have no idea what it truly is, we know it makes up about 85% of the galaxy's mass. This unseen presence dominates the motions of stars and galaxies, shaping the structure of the universe itself. If dark matter is the foundation of galaxies, does it play a role in the formation of life itself? Could it be the missing piece that connects everything we know about space to something far beyond? an as yet undetectable link between our universe and realms we have yet to imagine? To unlock the secret of dark matter is to unlock the very framework of the cosmos. And in doing so, we may finally glimpse the deeper truths about existence itself. The Milky Way is not just a random scattering of stars. It is a majestic, swirling work of art. Its spiral arms, each teeming with the energy of life and death. These arms are the cosmic nurseries of our galaxy, where stars are born, live, and die. Within these regions, the creation of new stars, by the compression of interstellar gas, is a process that echoes through the ages. But alongside creation, there is destruction. Old stars, at the end of their life cycles, explode in dazzling supernovae, scattering heavy elements across space. Elements that one day might form the building blocks of new worlds. And in this cosmic dance, the question arises: what drives the structure of these spiral arms? What unseen forces shape their graceful rotation and motion? Is there a deeper, more universal principle at play, something that guides not just our galaxy, but all galaxies in the universe? As we venture beyond our own solar system, we encounter thousands of exoplanets, worlds that orbit stars much like our Sun. Some of these planets, called Earth-like exoplanets, exist in what is known as the habitable zone, the distance from their star where liquid water could exist. These distant worlds are a tantalizing clue that we may not be alone in the universe. Could life, in some form, thrive on these planets? Perhaps they host microbial organisms or even advanced civilizations, life forms that have evolved in ways we cannot yet imagine. The search for life beyond Earth is one of the most profound questions of our time, for it asks us not only if we are alone in the cosmos, but what the existence of other life forms means for our understanding of our own place in the universe. As we discover more exoplanets, we edge closer to answering the age-old question: are we truly alone? Even the Milky Way, as grand and majestic as it is not eternal. In roughly 4.5 billion years, it will collide with the Andromeda Galaxy, its nearest neighbor. Yet, this collision will not be as violent as it may seem. The stars themselves, far too distant from one another, will not collide. But the forces of gravity will reshape both galaxies. New stars will form as gas clouds are compressed, and the very structure of our galaxy will be transformed. As this cosmic dance unfolds, our sun will have already entered the final stages of its life. It will have expanded into a red giant, shedding its outer layers, possibly engulfing the inner planets of our solar system. It is a reminder, a cosmic inevitability. Everything changes, everything ends. But in this great collision, something new will be born. A new era for the stars and perhaps for us as well. After the collision, when the stars of the Milky Way and Andromeda have exhausted their fuel and slowly burned out, what will remain? Perhaps only black holes, remnants of the once great galaxies, scattered through the emptiness of an ever-expanding universe. Eventually, the universe itself will reach a state of cold and stillness. The Milky Way, like all things, will fade away. But even in this ultimate stillness, there is something beautiful, something poignant. It is a reminder that the cosmos, like life itself, is cyclical. Galaxies are born, they evolve, and they die. But in their death, they create new possibilities. For in the remnants of stars, in the dying breath of galaxies, new life can emerge. Just as life on Earth was born from the elements forged in dying stars, so too can the universe begin again, in some form, from the ashes of the old. The Milky Way is our home, a galaxy of stars, planets, and cosmic wonder. But it is also so much more. It is a window into the universe itself, a place where time and space unfold their deepest mysteries. As we continue to explore, we find not just answers, but more questions. What lies at the edge of our understanding? What secrets will we uncover next? And as we peer into the cosmos, we are reminded that, though the galaxy may be vast, it is also a reflection of who we are, a part of something much larger, much older, and much more mysterious than we could ever imagine. The journey has just begun, and the Milky Way, in all its grandeur, holds the key to unlocking the most profound secrets of existence.